What's up guys, Sneaker Buddha, and I'm here just to drop a quick video. Before I even get into the video and what I'm reviewing, I do have to congratulate the Toronto Raptors on winning the championship. It's crazy seeing Canada win a major trophy like that. Congratulations, you guys deserve it. Sorry that you lost Kawhi, but he did everything possible. The NBA offseason has been crazy. You guys know Kawhi went to the Clippers with Paul George, which is why these sneakers are here. I will be giving away these sneakers. You guys might have seen them in my previous video, the PG1 reviews, and these are actually the prototypes. I'll tell you guys when I'll do the giveaway for these and where I'll be doing the giveaway. But I'll get to that at the end of the video. This whole video is going to be a little bit NBA themed, but before I continue any further with that, make sure you guys go to example.ca and check out our current issue. We have Cardinal Official on the cover. We have artists like Jay Wiss, Novelist, City Fidelia, a bunch of up-and-coming artists that you guys can check out. Their music will be listed in the articles. But yeah, make sure you check that out at example.ca. But back to the NBA, the offseason has been nuts. Fortunately, the Knicks have flopped and did absolutely nothing. But I do like the young core they have. I would have done without Bobby Portis and Bullock. I did like Julius Randle. I do like the pairing of Knox with RJ Barrett. I did like the pickup of Marcus Morris. But enough of my depression. If you guys actually want to hear me rant about the Knicks and how they flopped on KD and Kyrie, you guys can check that out on my podcast. The description will be in the link below. Give that a listen. I was kind of emotional that day. The players have been making their decisions in the offseason like crazy. You got a bunch of duos like Harden, Russ, KD, Kyrie teaming up with DJ actually. D'Lo's on the Warriors. The whole NBA has just been flipped upside down. Brogdon is actually in Indiana, which I think is a very good dark horse team to have. So are the Utah Jazz. They've been insane also. Getting onto this video, these sneakers are actually designed by Devin Booker. Nike had Devin Booker, De'Aaron Fox, and Jason Tatum design sneakers. I believe they did the Air Max 1s, and Devin decided to do the Air Force 1s. Me personally, I like the Air Force 1s a lot more than the Air Max 1s, just because they're a classic shoe. I believe every sneakerhead would have an Air Force 1 in their collection. I believe everyone must have owned one at some point in time. Alright guys, so for this specific sneaker review, I am going to try a completely different angle, just so we can get into the finer details, and if it looks good, I'll make sure it sticks. Here's what the sneaker looks like. It is a distressed teal, so it's almost blue. And the laces match with just a little bit more green. And you have the faded suede in the upper. Pull the shoe over to this side, you have an embroidered swoosh right there, which is obviously next to the giant Air Force 1 swoosh that everyone knows and loves. Then there is the D-Book logo. Now I purposely skipped over the D-Book logo because if I do this to the shoe, you guys can see a completely different light where all the lining in the shoe is actually the same blue as the D-Book logo, which gives the whole sneaker a completely different vibe, completely different look. I'm gonna hold off before I get to the heel of the shoe because there are some details there. As you guys can see, I already worn these. The outsole and midsole are actually a cream white, which I think is really nice and really looks well with jeans, especially with the distressed teal. On the tag, you guys could see it says made in Moss Point. It also says that it is a player exclusive. It says shipped to Phoenix. And if you guys look in here, it does say Devin Booker's signature, always fresh, and it says no sock style. A lot of you guys might think no sock style means don't wear without socks. I hope you guys put socks on when you wear your shoes. That's kind of gross if you don't. It means you just got to wear low socks because of the low collar sneaker, which I think looks really nice. So I did save the heel for last. As you guys can see, there is a silver Achilles patch on both of these sneakers, and the left one reads yes ma'am, and the right one reads no sir. So yes ma'am, no sir, that's how you talk to your elders, that's how you talk to certain people that you don't know. It's just a sign of respect, and this just goes back to the southern hospitality and his southern roots, obviously southern manners, as you guys know. So that's why he has those in there. And I honestly think it's a pretty cool phrase to have on your shoe. If you are wearing shorts or anything like that, people do look at it and then just you're gonna get the question, why does it say that? Because the silver does stand out, and then the writing is in a pretty good font too. So I really like how they have these sneakers laid out. This was actually a pretty sweet cop. I am gonna rock these even more. As you guys could already see, I did rock them before. I pre-shot my PGs because I have done a video on them already. You guys will see that next on the video. So these are actually going to stay in the collection for a while. I don't see them leaving at all, but I'll just leave these over here for now, and then we're just going to get to these. These are the PG ones. Alright guys, so I'm almost at 200 subs. Paul George just went to the Clippers, so I thought what would be a perfect time to do a giveaway. Alright, so as soon as I get to 200 subs, I will be doing the giveaway. It's still going to be a toss-up between IG or my Twitter. But once I get to 200 subs, I'll make a video. And I'll let you know where you guys can throw in your chance to win this pair. I also might be doing a different type of giveaway too, so let's get to 200 subs. As soon as that happens, we'll see what we'll do. If you guys haven't seen my video before, these are the Paul Georges. There's only 12,000 of these made. Obviously, you guys can see the shine on this shoe. It's nice, subtle black. You have speckles on your midsole, and you also have the numbers over here. And these are just area codes of arenas he's played in. But the specific number that you got to look out for is the 4-digit number on the back. And on this pair, it's actually 8331. That means it's the 8,331st pair that they actually made. So I'm a little torn about giving these up. I haven't actually worn them, but I've actually never worn them. But I just thought, like, even the details in them, they're actually nice. I wasn't a big fan of the PG2s or the 3s, but I actually like these ones a lot. But you know what? It'll be all worth it, and I know someone's going to pick these up and actually wear them. So they might actually like those, and if you don't wear them, and I can't even fault you for that, because I couldn't even bear to put them on my feet, to be honest with you. But the part I liked was the bottom, how they actually have the green and the orange on there. I thought that was pretty sweet. If you guys want to see a full review on these and what type of leather they use, what type of materials, check out my older video. I already did a review on these. So all you have to do is get me to 200 subs. So hit that sub button if you haven't already. If you have, tell a friend. Tell them to even enter the competition when I do the giveaway for you, because you're obviously the sneakerhead if you're the one watching this. Thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out that Example mag. Also, follow example.ca on IG. They have a lot of content coming out, and it's coming out daily. They cover a lot of arts, cover sneakers, cover a lot of things. And they're slowly starting to cover the NBA, so keep an eye out on that. And interact with them on their IG. They'll be more than happy to talk to you about anything. Alright, don't forget, guys, like, comment, and hit that sub button below. Thanks again, and Sneaker Boot out.